What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stoner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Y'all already know me. Y'all see what time it is. Y'all know what's happening. Time to make that money, man. But first up, today is the big day, baby. We got the drip pre-sale allocation for my Telegram group only. Today we get first deal, baby. We're kicking it. If you want to make sure you get that drip token, this is the only group you can get it, baby. You understand what I'm saying? Today at high noon, the contract will be released and we will be the first ones to get in it. You know what I'm saying? But hey, but come to the Telegram. I got a video for just the Telegram on how to fill it out. Here's the form, the whitelisting form. They're going to develop it here now. At 11 o'clock, we will have a voice chat. See, there you go right there. Hold on, mute it before he say something crazy. You know what I'm saying? You know, behind, I talks, man. I talks to people. I know people. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, come to the Telegram. Get in the, hey, all I know, people asking me, man, is it going 10x? Is it going 50x? Is it going 100x? I don't know. All I know, we getting it below listing price. So the money made already, you getting it below what's listed. So as soon as it come out, you made money. Now, that'd be done because you got it's like a bankroll flow type deal, the first flow like having a million banker X. You know what I'm saying? You the big dog, you gonna want to, join the platform instead of just selling them and then don't get no money. So anyway, man, that's coming up. 12 noon, come in the Telegram, link in the description. Let's get this money, baby. Anyway, let's get to this right here. Let's get to this real money right here, baby. Kate, you see another $700, man. Y'all see how this every day. It's every day, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what you want me to say? It's just printing itself. Oh, let me say this right quick. Check this right quick. Rate is $130. When I got it, it was $70. When I told you I had to have two rate to to participate in the pre-sale. So if you smart, now the pre-sale gonna be going on in different groups all week. If you smart, you might want to pick up some rate to get that price appreciation because you gotta have it to participate in the pre-sale. That's any of them. So I almost doubled my money in rate just by getting rate. So that's a little tip. That's a little pro tip, man. A little pro tip for the people. Let's look at cake is at $24 and cent. Don't forget the 74 cents now. Don't act like that ain't no money. But anyway, I'm gonna harvest that. Get that on to the pot. That's what I do every day, man. I can stop right now, but I'm gonna keep going. I show you how to make this money. I show you how to create this money, man. Creating money. That's what I did. Created my own money flow. $700 a day wouldn't help you. Oh, and let me answer this question. A lot of people say, well, but how much you had to put in to get that? Bro, let me show you something. Let me show you something. I will show you what I put in. I will show you right now. Let's pull back the curtain, shall we? This is my preferred liquidity pool, BDO, BNB. That may not be yours. You may pick any one of them. As you can see, I got 2,187. That's liquidity pool tokens. You see what I'm saying? All I do, you got to know how to create liquidity. You should know that by now, bro. Like, come on. Buy BDO, buy BNB, create liquidity, and you just add to it. You don't have to have 2,000 to start with. It can be 1, 2, 3. Guys, start small and just keep piling it on. Keep adding to it. It will build up. Y'all get discouraged by thinking y'all seeing big numbers. These are not big numbers. There are people with 10,000 liquidity pool tokens. I can't look at them and be like, man, I ain't gonna do it because I can't get to where they at. I'm good with my $700 a day. Some people making 1,000, some people making 20,000 a day. I'm good with my 700 a day until I keep putting on. Now, when I collect the rest of my stuff today, I'm gonna add some more to this. So it doesn't matter about the amount. Just do it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, that's that octa. But that octa, I told you about that octa going up. I just have it right here. I just be watching it. It was at this was 475 when I did my video. Now it's 675. So it done went up. And they doing some kind of something tonight at 8 o'clock. They supposed to be announcing or something. So it might keep going up. So I don't know what to tell you. You know what I'm saying? Profit been made. You can get out now or you can wait. I ain't selling. You know what I'm saying? And this keep going up. This was 708, 709. Go look at the video. It just go up. You get these dividends automatically. Automatically. So I told you about Octa last night, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. See what else we got going on. Polaris. That's another $222 added on to my 700. You see what I'm saying? I take these dividends right here. I sell them for BNB. I take that BNB, I buy half of that with BDO, and I add it to my pancake farm, which spits me out more cake, which I then stake in the cake pool. You see what I'm saying? I mean, how many times I say this every day? I don't know what else I have to tell you, man. Y'all, I don't know. Some of y'all just ain't gonna get it. What's funny? I think BNB Plus ended this morning, and I was like, okay. I mean, money made. You know, some people still, man. I just got in the non-withdrawal plan. I ain't getting none. Why would you at this point, bro? I'm like, you can't be watching my video at this point in the game. Who is just getting anything with non-withdrawals? It's like, why would you cut your nose off to spite your own face, bro? Why would you do that? Yeah, I'm gonna get that 20. I'm gonna put in 10 BNB in that 28 day plan. I'm gonna get that big 400 BNB out. No, you're not, bro. No, you're not. You go into one. The first thing you do is go into plan one. I don't care what it is. Squad up, BNB stake, BNB plus, whatever. Plan one is your first plan of action. I thought everybody knew that, bro. Golly, you don't know that, man. I ain't even trying to help you. Cause you know what I'm saying? It's just what it is, baby. We got BNB Hive still going. Still going. You know what I like about this right here, bro? Let me show you something. Let me show you how to do the math with y'all. 250,000 equal 1 BNB. It doesn't matter if BNB worth $1 or $10,000. 250 of these are worth 1 BNB. You see that? When we got into this, BNB was like $380. BNB is over $500. So how you gonna tell me you ain't made no money? What, you can't count? You done already got your 1 BNB. If you just put in 1 BNB, you already done made that back. You put in 1 BNB at 380 and you took out 1 BNB at an average of 5. Because I think BNB hit 6 this morning and it's still paying. The contract is still up, it's still paying. What? I'm confused. Well, I think it'd be competitors just saying stuff, bro. This thing is still paying. 250,000 gonna equal 1 BNB. If BNB is $600, you're gonna take out $600. Period. No matter, you put it in at 380. Do the math, bro. That's over $200 you just made off of 1 BNB. That's one. You put in 10, 20, look how much money you done made. Nobody ever look at the price appreciation. You know what I'm saying? They just want to wait till the end and say, rug pull, scam, this and that. No, it don't work that way. You gotta learn how to count before you do crypto, man. It's gonna be a hard life for you. B2X, it's becoming one of my favorites. Boy, I got in auction yesterday. As you can see right here, I can claim all my deals. I got 1.2 deals to claim. And this was out, what? This day 9, 10 days ago. So when I put in my first BNB 10 days ago, how much was BNB 10 days ago, bro? Goodness gracious, 3 something? So now I'm taking this out. This is almost, that's $600. You got to look at the price appreciation, guy. That's all I care about is the money. How much time it took, what this and that. None of that matters. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, we keep it moving, baby. What else we got? BNX, Binance, still going. Contract still climbing. We're at 1,400, 1,300 people. Contract still, hey, let me see. Last time I seen the contract, it was like 900 in the contract. Let's see what we got in the contract. See what we got it open. Have we crossed 1,000 yet? Yep. We over the contract's still going up. We crossed over 1,000. Because people understand how it works now. You just can't play the token game. Well, I'm gonna do BNX and I'm gonna show them how to do it. I'm gonna finagle that. No, you're not. You know what I'm saying? No, you're not, guys. Just be cool. Take the easy way. Make the deposit. Get your little 200%. Go on about your business, man. I try to tell you this stuff. Now try to pat you on the back. You don't want to listen. You don't want to learn. BNB yield. See if it's still going. I think it's over 14 days for this. I think. 1942 still hanging in there. Oh, I did. Let's see, where is it? Word about drip in my Telegram. That's where you buy it, fool. Anyway, see, I made another deposit, two BNB at 16% a day. With the price appreciation every day that I'm in here, I'm good. If I put two BNB in there last night at what was it, 480? That's about $900. By the time I get out of this, BNB probably be $700, $800, maybe. Yeah, it could just be 500. I'm cool with that. The money is made in the price appreciation and in the percentage. So I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Maybe these things are not for you. How do you come in these things? The first thing you do is come down here. Yeah, let me get up here. Come right here. Boy, I'm gonna kill him. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna take out 80 BNB in 28 days. I'm gonna kill him. These for suckers up here. These for suckers. They don't know how to play the game. I'm finna come in crypto and wreck them. I'm finna take all their money. Yeah. No, you're not, man. No, you're not. But anyway, man, like I said, come to the Telegram. Let's get this drip today. They already tagged me and all this. Coming today, 12 o'clock. This is the most guaranteed money you're going to make in crypto. You know what I'm saying? Get your 15 BNB ready. There's a cap on it of 15 BNB for a reason. You might as well go hard, go heavy. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe. How do I get you by?